What's up, guys? Thanks for stopping by What's New Barbecue. Like it says in the title, we've got a comparison today and we're going to put it to the test. We've got a ranch raised certified Angus beef ribeye provided by Circle K Angus Farms. Their information will be down below in the description box. And I went and picked up a store-bought ribeye as well that's also certified Angus. So we're going to put this to the test and see how they stack up against each other. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscription button and that bell right next to it so you can keep track of this barbecue journey. Stick around until the end, guys. I'm going to announce how you can get your hands on some of this beef as well. I'm going to do a giveaway and you don't want to miss out. Let's get to it. Alright guys, like I said in the intro, we're doing a comparison on two ribeye steaks today. And these are our two ribeyes that we'll be working with. This ribeye right here was provided by Circle K Angus Farms, and stick around till the end of the video. You could have a chance to win you some of this beef right here. And this steak right here was actually purchased at a local grocery store. So we're going to compare the two and see what they taste like, the tenderness and overall experience. So I got the Weber Kettle getting fired up, and I'm going to get these bad boys seasoned up with the same seasoning. And we're going to treat them the exact same. Next time I see y'all, we'll be grilling these bad boys up. Alright y'all, I got our ribeyes on, and here we have our Circle K Angus beef ribeye. And here we have our store-bought ribeye right there. Got plenty of heat in the Weber Kettle. I'm going to go ahead and shut this bad boy down and get to cooking. Can't wait to try them out and see what they compare to. See how they add up towards each other. Next time I see y'all, we'll be giving these a taste and talking about them and see what we think. Alright guys, while these ribeyes are finishing up, I wanted to go ahead and give y'all a little bit of information on Circle K Angus beef. Their passion is providing great customer service and product. Make sure y'all follow them on Facebook and all their social media links. It'll all be down below in the description box, guys. That's the best way that you can really see where this beef comes from. They don't just offer beef. Right now they offer beef and pork, but you can see where the product comes from by following them on Facebook and seeing exactly what they do on their day-to-day processes and how they handle their business. It doesn't get any better than that, guys. And don't forget, this is a giveaway, so all the information for that giveaway will be down below in the description box. Make sure you take advantage of that, register to win, and within 7 to 10 business days, we'll announce a winner. Alright guys, next time I see y'all, we'll compare these two steaks and talk about them and see what we think. Alright guys, these steaks turned out great. Both of them looking awesome, as you can see. It's time to put them to the test though and stack them up against each other. This is a comparison video after all. Y'all saw the steak on the right side. That was the Circle K Angus Farm steak. I'll put a picture of it right here. That's looking awesome, nice and juicy, looking tender. And then you saw the steak on the left side. I'll also put a picture of that right here. That's the store-bought steak, and it's looking good also. So it's only time to tell what's happening now with the taste test. So let's see what we're working with. Man, these steaks are smelling good. Let's go ahead and cut right down the middle of the Circle K Angus Farm steak, the ribeye, and see what it looks like. Let's compare looks and taste today since it is a comparison. There's our Circle K Angus Farm ribeye steak. It's looking awesome, nicely cooked, smells good, seems real tender. Let's go ahead and give it a bite and see what we're working with here. There we go. Nice medium rare. Cheers, y'all. Wow, that's really good. Extra tender, guys. A real depth of flavor. You can really tell that's quality. That's really good, guys. That ribeye is awesome. But now it's time to compare it and stack it up against the store-bought ribeye. And let's do the same thing. We'll cut right down the middle. I'll show you what it's looking like as well. And then we'll give that bad boy a taste too. There we go. Also a nice cook, medium rare. And reminder, we treated these the exact same. We seasoned them the same, cooked them at the same time. Let's go ahead and cut us a piece of this and see what it's working with. There we go. Awesome cook as well. Cheers, y'all. That seasoning on this steak is awesome. I didn't mention what it is, but it's the North Texas Barbecue Addict all-purpose rub. Alright guys, let's recap. Today we did a comparison on 2 ribeyes. One of them was purchased at my local grocery store, and the other one was provided from Circle K Angus Farms. And we were checking to see for taste, tenderness, and overall experience. And today guys, that Circle K Angus Farms steak really amped it up with that beef flavor, and it really stood out in comparison to that grocery store bought steak. And like I said earlier, you really can't beat the fact that this will come straight to your doorstep. Don't forget, you can get in on the giveaway down below in the description box. Register while you still can. We'll pick a winner in the next 7 to 10 business days and get your chance to snag you some of this beef, guys. I appreciate y'all for stopping by What's New Barbecue. Until next time, y'all keep on barbecuing.